Dinner tonight is going to be so delicious. It was a little cool today, so we are channeling all of these beautiful fall flavors. And we are doing pork chops with apples and herbs and apple cider, and it's going to be a one-pot delicious fall dinner. Here are the ingredients. So these are some really nice 1-inch bone-in pork chops. I already seasoned with salt and pepper. And now I'm going to add some dried thyme and dried sage right on it. I'm going to sear those, and then I'm going to saute some other aromatics. Some shallot, some fennel, garlic, rosemary. I'm going to cut this apple up. And then the braising liquid has apple cider, a little apple cider vinegar. It's going to have Dijon chicken stock, and I think that's it. I'm going to add a little dried thyme, or a lot of dried thyme, maybe like half a teaspoon per side. And then some dried sage. And then I'm just going to kind of massage it. Oh, yeah. Look at the crust. Oh, yes. That is what I'm talking about. Took the pork chops out, and all that goodness, all that flavor is staying right in the pan because we're going to use all of that to saute all our veggies. So we're going to put some fennel and shallot right in. And then I'm going to put in the apples as well. And then just give this all a little saute, and then we'll add the garlic. Add the garlic right in, and then just saute everything maybe for another minute. Look at that color on the apples. And the fennel starting to get some color. Okay, we're going to pour in this glorious braising liquid. Oh, and you're not pour it all over like I did. We'll simmer it a little bit, and then we'll add the pork chops right back in. And nestle these right into that sauce, and then bring everything up to like a really good simmer. We want the sauce to reduce, and of course we want the rest of the pork chops to cook because they're still not cooked all the way through. So that should take, I don't know, we'll let you know. How good does that look? So the sauce definitely had to take some time to simmer. It took like a good 10-15 minutes because these were thick pork chops. And I also tempt it with my meat thermometer. It's like 145 it's supposed to be. So I turned it off. It was like right at 45, and it looks so good.